to jump in with Jill from Raleigh. Jill says she's been diagnosed with PCOS and needs help losing weight. Do we have experience with this? And absolutely, yes, we do. PCOS stands for polycystic ovarian syndrome. PCOS is a very, very common hormonal disruption that a lot of women experience, and it can be related to weight issues, it can be related to fertility and irregular menstrual cycles, and generally it is hallmarked by having more testosterone as a woman, and that drives things like the irregular menses and fertility issues and sometimes acne and hair growth. And again, it's very, very common, but what ends up happening is a lot of women who have this syndrome are somewhere on the spectrum, because it can be more severe or it can be very mild, but a lot of the times it is the high insulin level that we're really needing to target, because when insulin is very high in the body, it sort of tells the ovaries to make more testosterone instead of just the progesterone and estrogen balance that we want. We want a little testosterone, but too much is not great for our bodies as women. So by targeting insulin, by helping with blood sugar and carbohydrate restriction, we really can not just get the weight off of PCOS, but I've had patients who have completely had their PCOS resolve, and they've been able to get regular cycles again and become pregnant. And it's been so rewarding. So Jill, don't hesitate to give us a call and let us know.
Yes, I agree with all of that. I think that's a good summary.
Yeah. And I will just mention metformin, because we talk a lot about metformin. This is a really perfect situation to use metformin. Metformin is a medication that has been around for a long, long time, traditionally used to treat diabetes. However, in obesity medicine, in our specialty, we all use it a lot for targeting high insulin levels. So in addition to a low carbohydrate, anti-inflammatory type diet, using metformin can really help bring insulin down and therefore normalize the testosterone issues that women with PCOS have. So we don't just have dietary interventions, we'll have medications that can help you, Jill, as well, to really target that issue.